Hey family, welcome back to my channel, to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this journey. Okay, and my old sabbies, God bless you. I miss you all. Yes, you've not been seeing my videos like before, and that is because I found a job, and to balance my job with my kids, my family is so stressful. I decided to stay a bit of YouTube to see that everything was fine before I start making videos. In this video, I'm going to make it a very short one, right? A quick one. I'm going to be reviewing the Palmer's cocoa butter. So I got this in 500 ml. Okay, I got this in 500 ml, and the reason why I got this cream is because I decided to stop my skin lightening journey. Some years ago, I thought being light was beautiful, so I decided to use some lightening products. Yeah, because my friends were using them. I started with Carol White. It was good. Carol White and the oil and stuff, it was good. Then after my first child, it started giving me some green veins, some stretch marks, so I proceeded to the next step, to what's the name, fair and what, no, pure white gold. Yeah, pure white gold. This also toned me, and then I became so light that you could see all my green veins here. So I decided to just stop everything and go back to Eversheen. Although I went back to Eversheen, I was so interested to lighten my skin, not to go back darker like what I used to be way back in Africa. So I added, I think I have a video of it. I added fair and white, so white oil, and fashion fair tube. This was okay for me. This was so good until lately I broke out. I don't know what happened. When I started work, I got a lot of pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, sunburn. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was something I ate or so. A friend of mine discussed some cream with me, so I bought this cream, and this cream was able to clear all this stuff from my face, but at the end my face became so lighter than the rest of my body. So I decided to go back to the body lightening so that it will match my face. Hell no, the biggest mistake. Then the dark knuckles started, the green veins started. Although my face was cleared, my body was not. You can even see the rest of the dark knuckles here. So I just decided to stop skin lightening, skin bleaching completely. So I went and got myself after watching so many reviews about dark skin creams, I decided to go for cocoa butter, Palmer's cocoa butter. In the beginning, I really liked this cream, but I found out that although it moisturizes your skin, it dries up quickly, and I don't really like creams that dries up when I apply. No, I don't like. I like to feel some little oil or moisture or something. I want to see that I have really put cream on my skin. This is very thick in consistency, very thick in consistency like this, and it smells so good. This says it has vitamin E, and we all know all the health benefits of vitamin E for the skin. It softens, smooths, relieves rough, dry skin, and 24-hour moisture. This I don't really believe in the 24-hour moisture, but they have another one in a very short jar, which I think is very moisturizing, so I have decided to buy that. But in the meantime, I've started using shea butter from Africa. So in the morning I will just apply dudu osun soap on my face, wash it out, and then just smell my shea butter on my face, because I don't want anything called lightening again on my body. I'm just going to, I want to go dark like this, not really dark, but to match this, yeah. And really, this cream is nice. It depends on your skin tone, and since we are in winter, that is why I don't really like it. I like my skin to be so moist and oiled and stuff, but in the summer I'm sure this will go very well. Look, you can feel the moisture on my skin, but I really like it too oily. Okay, and I don't want to mix any oil also with this thing. I don't want to mix any oil. If you want to buy it, I assure you can buy it. Like my skin got better from all this green veins and the green veins and all this dark knuckles. It got better with this one, just that I just have very dry skin, and I do not want to use this plus oil. I could do this alone, but I really want my skin to be oily. That's what I go for, because I have this sometimes my body itches me after I come out from the shower. So I always like something to I always want to feel greasy kind of body. Yeah, this is very good. You can still feel my hand. This is very good. So if you want something to repair your damaged skin, from your bleach skin, you can go for this. You can go for Bashin cocoa butter, you can go for mixer, you can go for Queen Elizabeth, Queen Helen, shea butter, coconut oil. You can use all this stuff. This is very good. I won't lie, very good. But I want my skin to be oily and supple and succulent. Yeah, that is why. But I use this for my kids, and this is good for their skin. I use this for my kids, and this is good for their skin. And then I bought their face cream. I watched some videos, a lot of reviews, that this works but very slowly, and me, I don't have that kind of patience to wait for a year before a cream works. So sometimes I apply it, sometimes I just leave my face like that, or sometimes I even apply my shea butter. I know shea butter can clog my pores and cause breakout, but for like a month now I haven't experienced any breakout or all this stuff. So I will just keep it like that. So I will update you guys in few months to see how my dark skin journey is going. Yeah, we are going out of this skin lightening stuff. No green veins, no this, all this stuff must go away. So I just wanted to make this video short, so I'll leave you guys. Okay, I'll leave you guys. If you want to buy it. It's really good. It repairs your damaged skin. It says, let me read some of the ingredients. Okay, the first ingredient is water, and when water is the first ingredient, you know there is moisture in it. It's really good. Okay, in theobroma cacao, glycerin, petrolatum, shea butter, all these things are inside, so it's really good. Just that it's good for my kids, it's good for me, right? But I want to get this oily body because I have really dry skin, especially on my legs. They are very dry. All right, so I'll leave you guys, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Comment, share, and let's make this channel great again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. I love you. Mwah.